Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's super casual. We're just sitting here on the floor in my closet and I'm going to be sharing with you some new items in my wardrobe. So I have some accessories. I've got a brand new bag. It is a designer bag, but it's on the contemporary side. And then I've got some new clothes. And for the clothes portion, my plan is to actually just take the camera and I'll try everything on in front of my big mirror here. I'll put together some outfits and then per usual, everything that I show will be linked down below. But just FYI, I know when this video goes live, it'll be right at the beginning of the big Labor Day sales. So if you're interested in kind of adding some new pieces to your wardrobe to kind of update your closet for the new season, then now's the time because there's so many sales happening. The first thing that I want to talk about, I guess, is just what I'm wearing. That's kind of what I always do. This sweater, I think you've seen it before, but it is from Free People. It's kind of like a popcorny sweater. I love it. I just have it off the shoulder, although you don't have to do that, but I did pair it with my Free People bralette, and it's kind of like a maroon color, so it seems a little bit fallish. Sorry if I'm blending into my background. I did not plan that. But then I also wanted to mention what I'm wearing on my wrist. I'm wearing my watch, and then I have partnered up with Victoria Emerson, which is a really cool jewelry company. She has amazing wrap bracelets. That's really what I'm drawn to. Maybe you've seen some other girls on Instagram wear them because when I'm scrolling, I often, I'll see them every once in a while and I scroll back up because they catch your eye so quickly. She did send me about 6 and oh my gosh, I love them. So a lot of them actually are kind of like cuffs, so they're magnetic in the back, which is really cool because I was thinking they were the classic wraps, but these are magnetic so you can put them on and off really easily. So I have this one that's more of like gold tones, and I have another one more beigey champagne tones. I'll just be flashing them on the screen here. And then I also have one that is more silver and gray based. So I love them. And then I do have 2 other classic wraps as well. One is a beige and kind of like mother of pearl tone, and then another one is cream with grays and whites and champagnes. And then also I have one that is actually just all leather, and I picked white because clearly here I like white. It does have, silver hardware. You could get it in gold hardware. And speaking of Labor Day sales though, I did want to say that she's having a huge sale on our website, 40% off everything, and it is specifically for Labor Day. So if you're interested in any of these wrap bracelets, she has some other items too. Definitely jump on them in the next couple days because of the sale. Let's move on now to the bag. So next we have a brand new bag that I've actually had for a few weeks now, and I've just had it sitting there here in my closet, and I've peeked inside, but I really haven't pulled it out. I know I'm going to love it because it just fits the bill of what I like, but I think that it's going to be so functional and practical, and I really won't have to worry about it too much. But again, it's going to look so great this season, and you'll see why in a second. So let me just pull it out. There might still be some packaging on it, I'm not sure, but it is a Tory Burch crossbody bag, and even just looking at it here, it's so pretty. The color, guys, is so good. So I bought that, a Tory Burch tote at the anniversary sale, and I saw this there too. I didn't pick it up, but I just fell in love with that tote so much. This leather is so buttery soft. This color is perfect, and I just wanted it in this basically. So I ended up picking it up. It does have this compartment in the back for my cell phone, so I will be using that all the time. And then it does have a magnetic closure to, open and close it. So it's really easy. And then the inside, see, it does have packaging. The inside is really big. It holds a lot. I tested it in the store and I just love it so much. And it's just so easy because it closes magnetically. I love that kind of opening. And it has, really nice gold hardware here. It's just a great fall bag. I can envision going to the pumpkin patch and going to get apple cider and lattes and stuff. This is just such a good fall bag. And it's Tory Burch. I love Tory Burch. She's probably my favorite contemporary designer for handbags and shoes. So anyway, I got this at Nordstrom. Like I said, it might be available at Tory Burch. Either way, I will link it below. Let's move on now. We're gonna move on to the clothing pieces. Alrighty, so here we are with the very first outfit. It's definitely one of those outfits that transitions from summer to fall. So this would be summer, and then in a minute I'll show you how to transition it. But okay, so these pants, they are from H&M, so is the top. A lot of the clothing items are from H&M. The prices are just so good, and I love the style. So these pants are super high-waisted. I love the color. My shoes are Tory Burch block sandals. They're very, very similar to the bag I just bought, so obviously I really like that particular Tory Burch line. And then let's talk about this cami. It's like a dusty rose cami, and what I really like about it is the lace, but then also it's kind of thick right here, so you can really wear like any bra with it, and it's really easy. A lot of times I wear the breast pedals and I get a lot of questions about that, but this is easy and I just threw on a regular bra. So let me just throw on a blazer and kind of lighten it up a bit. Alrighty, so here we are. I just threw on a white blazer actually. I decided to, like I said, lighten it up. This will keep me warmer, so I feel like it's good into fall, but it's still light and airy. And this blazer, like it's white, but it's, oh my gosh, I love it so much. I don't care if it's white, it's from Express. I think it's priced pretty good, and it's kind of like a boyfriend blazer, and I love how it is kind of automatically pulled up around the sleeves, and so I really don't have to roll them. It just kind of hangs like that. I feel like it's casual, sleek, chic. Looks good, so let's move on. All right, guys, so this next outfit, does it not, oh my gosh, if this doesn't scream classic fall outfit, I don't know what does. I love it so much. Okay, let's start with the sweater. This is from H&M, priced so well. And I mentioned in a recent video that I have so many beige sweaters, but if you look over there, they're all very light beige sweaters. I don't have anything in this color, and this is, to me, just, it screams fall. So anyway, I have a couple other pieces in a similar shade, but here's the bag. Does it not look so good? And then I also wanted to point out these boots. These are another purchase that I think I'm going to be wearing like crazy this season. I think that they are great because they're a little bit loose around your leg. They're not skin tight, which I really love. And then the block heel is so easy to walk in. Like it doesn't, like I could walk miles in this and not think twice about it, but it still gives you some elevation. So I think they're by Steve Madden. I can link them below. I love them, and the color is awesome. So yay, loving this so much. This next outfit is pretty basic, but I feel like it's still really cute, and it's because of the hat. If you guys don't have like a beige floppy hat, not too floppy, but wearable, I can link this one. It was not too expensive. It wasn't a super cheap one either, but I feel like the quality is great, and I just throw it on when I feel like my outfit's missing something, and it's just bam, it looks so much better. So I, again, felt like this outfit was kind of missing something, and I threw on the hat. I do have some Gucci loafers, which I guess kind of elevates it a tad, but I am wearing this white, it's a short sleeve, kind of like a turtleneck, but it doesn't flap over, it just kind of like stays up, and I think it's really cute. I do recommend though, doing your makeup after putting this on, because I had a terrible time getting it over my face and not just getting this full of makeup. So just a little tip, but I wasn't sure about a belt. I'm honestly still not sure about the belt. I feel like I might take it off. But yeah. Oh, and then these are my, what are these? The Levi wedgie jeans that I've been raving about for months. Again, guys, so good. These are so good. You should buy them. All right, so I'm back in these pants, and I decided to pair this really cute floral blouse with these pants just because I think the blue and the darker brown cognac color look great together. So this blouse is just so freaking cute. I love it, and I love how it ties up here. It's kind of equestrian. I love florals. I said that in a recent fall trend video. This is more of like a romantic floral, I would say. I know I mentioned that, but yeah, you could obviously, I feel like almost this would look better maybe with a different bottom. I'm not really sure, but again, I like the colors together, so I just ran with it. Alrighty, so we're going to darken things up a bit. I feel like a lot of my outfits so far have been light and bright. So here we are in a similar color that I have been wearing, but this time I paired it with dark jeans, and then I'm back in these amazing boots. I've got the Tory Burch bag, and if you're ever concerned about mixing browns with blacks, the easiest way to tie everything together is to just throw on something leopard. And so I feel like this outfit looked totally fine before, but I did decide to throw on a leopard belt. And again, I feel like it just ties everything together seamlessly. And this is just an easy outfit, super fall, definitely fall, but I love it nonetheless. I'm loving this ribbed turtleneck too. Again, it's kind of like a turtleneck that just stays up by itself. It's not one that like flaps over and you have to roll or anything, so it's really easy. Alrighty, so I am done. I just threw on this cha-cha tee, which you guys have seen this before too. I can link this too because I wore it in a video and guys, you loved it. It's very Chanel-esque. So anyway, it's so hot, so I threw this on, but I wanted to show you some behind the scenes footage of what my closet looks like after a try on haul. So, you know, when I'm trying stuff on, it's like, wow, everything is so clean and nice and organized, but let me just show you. It's a complete freaking disaster. I've got my lounge over there, I've got lights, I've got my steamer because I can't stand trying on clothes in videos when everything's wrinkled. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down below along with, you know, like the Labor Day sale stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!